Okay, so this is the iPhone 13 and I have the midnight black color variant with me over here. Now the box is nice and thin because no charger in the box, but the unboxing process just takes about 30 seconds. Now I have to give credit to Apple for using recyclable materials like the recyclable cardboard box, recyclable aluminium and the recyclable design of the phone. But apart from that, we get a small paper pack which says designed by Apple in California, and inside that we get some paperwork, a SIM ejector tool and an Apple sticker. And last but certainly not the least, we get a USB Type-C to lightning cable. And this is just a regular cable, it's not braided or anything like that. But that is literally it for the box contents. So after that unboxing clip you all saw, I've been using the iPhone 13 for about 3 to 4 days now, and well, the first thing I did was applied a case by Spigen, and I've also applied a tempered glass which was by Spigen. Now if you'd like to pick up either of these, you'll find the Best Buy link down below in the description. But the first thing which I've noticed about the iPhone 13 is the in-hand feel is actually really good. It has a certain amount of heft to it which makes it feel really premium. Now the back is actually glossy, so it will attract a lot of fingerprints, but it doesn't really matter for me because I'm going to be using it with a case. Now a lot of people were actually making a fuss about WhatsApp data transfer from Android to iOS, but it was actually really seamless for me. So what I did was I installed the Move to iOS app on my Android phone. Now after you have installed this app, it will guide you through a step-by-step guide. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory, it's not that complicated. But anyway, speaking about the cameras, then I've only clicked some photos, and well, here are some samples. So there is absolutely no color shift between the primary and ultra-wide sensor. But apart from that, you give the iPhone sensors a good amount of light and you get a good amount of detail. Now obviously I haven't taken a lot of night photos, but these are a few samples which I've taken. So initial impressions of camera, they're really good, especially during daytime. I haven't really tested it out in night time, but I do intend to use this more and test out and push this iPhone to its limits and maybe come up with a full review. So if you are someone who would be interested in that, then let me know about that down below in the comments. And to kind of finish with this unboxing and impressions of the iPhone 13 video, I'd like to say that moving to the iPhone actually does have a slight learning curve to it, but it just takes about a day or two. And I'll leave you guys with that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Peace out.